Hello people, and how are you doing today? So if you're looking for that powerful green juice that is rich in vitamins and minerals, that contains powerful antioxidants that will protect your cells, your blood vessels and your organs from damage, then keep on watching this video and make sure you watch it to the end, because trust me, you won't want to miss this amazing juice recipe that I'm about to share with you. And hey, remember to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. With that being said, let's get right into it. So the first ingredient we'll be using for this powerful juice recipe is celery. These are celery. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain high amounts of vitamin A, K, and C. They contain powerful antioxidants that protect your cell, your blood vessels, and your organs from damage. They contain alkalizing properties that helps to alkalize acidic foods and substances in your body, in your system, and it helps to relieve and over time cure gastric ulcer. It's a great liver cleanser. It helps to cleanse your liver, and you know a clean liver is a good way to lose weight naturally. So the first ingredient we'll be using is the celery. This is the quantity, this is the size of the celery. So we're just going to slice it into little, so it's easy for us to juice. So we'll transfer it back to the bowl. And please remember to wash your vegetables properly and thoroughly before using them to prevent germs. You can either use salt or you use white vinegar to wash your vegetables before use. Second ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is kale. Kale contains powerful vitamins just like celery, and they are high in nutrients. They contain powerful vitamin C's, and they are a great source of vitamin C that helps greatly in your skin. It helps to lower cholesterol level in your blood, and it contains cancer fighting substance. So these like two handful of kale that we are going to use. And as always, wash thoroughly with white vinegar or salt before use. So I'm just slicing them into little quantities so it's easier to juice. So after doing that, we'll transfer them into the bowl to set aside. Trust me, this particular juice is made with powerful vegetables that you need. The third ingredient we'll be using for this amazing juice recipe is cucumber. Cucumber are powerful. They are alkalizing. They help to support the system. They help to flush out toxins and waste from your system. So I'm using a big and a small cucumber. And please remember, it depends on the number of people that are taking it. If it's just for you, then I think one cucumber is enough. You can either decide to increase the ingredients or reduce the size of the ingredient depending on the number of people that are taking. What we'll be using for this juice recipe is ginger. Ginger helps to reduce the cholesterol level in the body. It contains cancer fighting properties. It increases your metabolism, helping you to pass out excess toxins. It helps you to treat chronic indigestion. So I'm going to use an inch of ginger. This is fresh ginger. You can decide to increase the quantity if you want it very spicy, but I'm just using this size, so I'm keeping this away. So this is the size we are going to use, an inch of ginger. Next ingredient we are using for this recipe is lemons. These are lemons. I've already peeled off the skin of the lemon because we are going to juice it. Lemon contains they are powerful source of vitamin C. They help to increase your bowel movement, helping you pass out toxins. So we are using two pieces of lemons for this recipe. So let's get right into juices. So the first ingredient we'll be putting in is our celery. So we're just going to put them into the juicer. So after putting the celery, you see the juice is coming out already. Then it's now time to add the kale. So you put it in little quantity. So after juicing the kale, it's now time to juice the cucumber. And then it's time to juice our lemon. So we're going to put in our lemon and also our ginger. Remember, we are using just an inch of ginger. So after juicing them from that ingredient, this is the quantity I was able to get from it. So that's why I said it's either you increase it or you decrease it, depend on the number of people that are going to take it. So let's try it out. See how green. The juice, it doesn't taste nice, honestly, but it's really good for your system. It's really good for your health. Ensure to try it out and let me know if you're going to try it out in the comment section. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on other nutritious juices that will be coming your way. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your family and friends so we all stay healthy. Cheers.